this thing on?
Look at these bananas. One of my goals last winter was to learn to ski. And I never even attempted it. But now I bought skis, so I have to learn. I'm up Little Cottonwood Canyon, and I'm just gonna like get a feel for standing on skis. So I went up this little tiny road, and I'm just going to try to ski down right there. A lot harder than I thought it would be. It's I think the third time skiing. Today I'm working on turning and keeping my other foot parallel. And I feel like I'm actually doing it today. Whereas the other days I was going really slow. Today I'm actually able to get up some speed and be confident that I won't run into a tree. It's nice to have the confidence to know that you can actually stop. Heading up this road, it's like blocked off down there and it's covered in snow. This is like perfect, but I lost my snow basket. Today, my left foot hurts. I feel like my heel is slipping too much, so it's causing some pain. Should I ski down this? Probably not. I'm gonna turn around. I think I'll probably come back up here quite a bit because I like this spot a lot. Last time I skied down, like right over there, there's like a steep spot, and I skied there, and I crashed into the side and hurt my knee. On the other side is Alta, and over here is Snowbird. I'm not very good at turning on steep stuff. I'm gonna drop down to this resort and then go back over the pass to where my car is. I went down like past that mountain, down in there, and turned around and came back up. It was a good workout though. Check out this view. Skiing back here is just so peaceful. So I've been skiing for like 2 months now. I've probably gone like 13 times. I still crash all the time. One of the things that I love about it, it's like hiking, moving through the mountains, getting exercise and being like aerobic, but it also has this balance and like technique part to it. That'd be sweet to drop in there if you were skilled. Not like me. The other day I skied and it was like pretty snowy, and I used these glasses because I don't have goggles, and I couldn't see anything. And then once I took the glasses off and just like squinted my eyes, it was so much easier because I had like the confidence to see how steep it was and like where I was going. I need to get some like actually warm gloves. I just use these liners and it gets pretty cold sometimes. And then goggles so I can ski when it's not such a nice day out. Time to go back down. I keep my skis on my bed, so every time I have to like clean all the ice off, because no one likes sleeping in a wet bed unless you're through hiking. Then it just doesn't matter.